Okay, I think the mic is on. Maybe it's on. Okay, why don't you use this for a table? And I have my table, your table, and this has got to go someplace else. I'll put it over here. You want your very own envelope opening device? Here you go. We have a guest envelope opener today. Go ahead, have a good time.
Okay.
Miracle. Miracle. What is that? Maybe I better put that one up there. Is that me? Those are me. Okay.
Stop snowing.
I'll put that on the floor. Okay. We'll see who can go fastest.
Yes, okay. So it's from Sharon Hall. Many thanks to you. Just wanted to let you know how much you're appreciated.
Speak up.
Okay. All of us who watch SDP give thanks for all you do. Sharon Hall, CP, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you.
Well, isn't that wonderful? This is American General Insurance, whatever. They've now told me that they think that that's true. I should get $107,000 out of it, and still don't have any money, but I got a letter. Well, that was a nice letter. Keep going.
Okay. Melissa, thank you for sharing your love of all the dogs with those of us on the other side of the camera. It is pure joy that we can see both on your face and the dogs when you are there. Hold your head high and keep moving forward. These small bumps in the road happen, but make us stronger. You are a special gift to the people and animals. Lori.
Wow.
Thank you.
And I have a lovely present from Deborah Cannon. Huh. You know, these, I just noticed that my checks all have a funny stuff written all over the back of it. It's security sort of stuff. Thank you, Debbie. That is beautiful. And as a special treat, I've sent you some monkey fists.
Melissa, you are so pretty and take good care of me. I love you. Misty, the athlete. From Misty. Or Anna P. from Georgia.
Anna P?
Yes.
Baldwin, Georgia?
Yes.
Oh, I got one here too, for Bello, author. Huh, okay. Here we go. Scooby-Doo. Somehow it opens, I'm sure. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hello. Know who's wished a very happy Valentine's Day? Have Granny Carlene put this in the fun. Love, Anna P. Well, isn't that cute? That's a cute one. The card. Did you get a card like that one?
No.
They will put this in the fun.
Dear Melissa, we know you. Oh, we love you. CPs and fur babies. Keep up the good work. This too shall pass. Puppy hugs, Kathy Rowe, Westfield, Indiana.
That's another thing from AIG. I still haven't got any money, but I have another piece of paper. Isn't that funny? Okay, well, that's another piece of paper from AIG. Maybe at the bottom of this pile we'll have another one. Interesting. Okay, I have Harold and Wanda. You got Harold and Wanda? Harold and Wanda are eating clusters and flakes with scoops of wholesome something. And Cheerios. Thank you, Harold and Wanda. We put them to good use. Go ahead.
Melissa, just thinking of you. Sending prayers of healing and health. Take care of yourself and the pups. They depend on you. Your friend over the internet, Porter Cat, Illinois, Margero. Thank you.
Okay, I have one from Margaret Peggy Banner. And it doesn't say it's for anything particular, but we'll put it in the fun fund. There we go. And here we have...
Oh, I was going to say it looks like Seagram. It is.
What? Oh, wow.
How cool.
Oh, she made that card.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, it is.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. Dear Melissa, thank you so much for all that you do taking care of the puppies at night. It certainly isn't easy to stay up at night taking care of the needy newborns who then become hooligans. I am so grateful that you took care of me and my siblings and friends and continue to do so for the next generations of puppies. Love, Stephen. Sorry.
Valentine request for my favorite human. Feed me, walk me, feed me, walk me, throw the ball. Feed me, walk me, feed me, walk me, throw the ball. Happy Valentine's Day. From the one who runs things around here, the dogs. Over. Oh, there's an over here. Wait a minute. There's more, maybe. Oh, there we go. Dear Carlene, we're sending lots of Valentine cards with $1 for the Fun Fund. The way to show how much we care about you and all the dogs at Service Dog Project. I am poo pickers. Oh, sending poo pickers. And we'll be sending them soon. She's saving poo pickers. All the best. Doris from Kentucky. Wasn't she from
Someone sent me poo pickers with like personalized poo pickers yesterday. With like little cartoons on it. Yeah, because I opened a lot yesterday, so. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller.
What is that one?
Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light.
Wow, that's Helen Keller.
Yes.
That's one of my favorite things, you know. Okay, and here's the Veterans Association that sent me a nickel, and I'll take it and throw the rest out. I don't like them doing because, you know, I hope they do something for the veterans, but people who collect money for the veterans kind of make me a little annoyed. I'm going to put that one in the back of FedEx. That's a bill. I don't want to talk about that one. Okay, so here we have another one. Julie Valio, Knoxville, Tennessee.
I used to live
A nice, tiny-looking thing. The Athletes and Gifts at Service Dog Project. Guess that means I can open it.
kindergarten through second grade. I lived in Knoxville.
There we go. Happy Valentine's Day.
I tried to be normal once. Worst 2 minutes of my life.
House puppies.
Warren. It's just, that's
From who?
Warren.
Oh.
Warranty.
This one was a new name. I haven't seen that name before. For house puppies. Not hush puppies, but house puppies. And here's one from George the veterinarian. On account of because we shopped for his food, or I mean his supplies for the, that doesn't count as present. Okay, this is for Sizzle. Oh dear, should get up and come here. This is for Sizzle. Sizzle's been pretty good lately. She's come along a little bit.
Yeah.
She still won't pick up anything, but she's behaving pretty well.
Peeing in the house has been all good.
What?
She doesn't pee inside at night anymore.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yes, it is. Or poo.
That's a big,
Much better.
big thing in everybody's
me.
life.
Her poo's getting pretty large, so.
May you feel the love and thanks for all we have for Service Dog Project and the staff and volunteers. Something for the Fun Fund. Diane Clausen, Tennessee. Huh,
This is,
that's a very nice card.
what does it say who it is?
Okay.
Rayleigh, is that how I say, North Carolina? Thank you for all you do, just a small token of appreciation. Thank
Better go faster. I'm almost out. I'm almost out of my pile.
you.
Okay, this is Perdon, El Paso, Texas.
Dear Melissa, you are my favorite puppy sitter. You talk and kiss us all night. Oh, Mom, I love you, Martina and Kathleen. Thank you. Anna P.
Lovable and huggable. Happy Valentine's Day. We love them all. Bob and Wanda Perdon. Well, that's very nice. Thank you very much. I'm saving the cards and giving you the envelope. Is that what I'm doing?
If you want to.
No?
Another one from Anna P.
Okay.
You don't have to send them. That's right.
This is from Jennifer. Perdon.
My
El
Melissa,
Paso.
I love when you rub my belly. I love you both. She sent one from all the places. Thank you. Be able to pay all my court fees.
Love makes the world go round. Sending little Valentine hugs for smiles for your world and love in your heart. Happy Hearts Day. I love all the dogs. Jennifer. Thank you very much.
Some people spread sunshine around them wherever they go. You're one of those special people. Thank you. I love to watch the puppies light up when they see you. Thanks for being so good to them. So sorry for the BS that happened. You're the best. Pam, Lexington, South Carolina. Thank you.
I found it.
There you go. Susie Bierman.
Uh-oh, I opened Linda's card.
Uh-oh.
Put it back in the envelope.
Hi, Melissa. I wanted to say thank you for all the love you give to the puppies. You provide wonderful work. We are grateful to have you at STP. Susie Bierman, Southern California.
There we are. It's all sealed up again.
Tina and Meg Joy. Big bear hug. Melissa, you're fabulous. Keep up the good work. If you needed, I've got one here with your name on it. Dana from Leoburg, Virginia. Thanks. You're so wonderful. Melissa, thanks for being so caring with the puppies. We don't always trust people who say they like dogs, but we always trust people that dogs like. That's true. That's true. Sharon and Glenn and Dana. Thank you. Sweet. Gracias, merci, danke, grazie, ascolto. Thank you. Melissa, sorry about mishap at Crazy Acres. No wonder it's called Crazy Acres. I wanted you to know how much I appreciate you caring and loving on the puppies. The first 7 weeks of their life, it's so important. They deserve every hug and kiss. You're loved by all of us. You're loved by all of us. Peace. I always know. All is taken care of when you're
I
there.
can't hear you. Okay, I just wanted to see.
No, we can't listen.
I'm gonna open a package. Why do you
Yeah.
keep going? Keep going. Don't stop now.
Joyce Baker. Dear Melissa, I know you don't remember me. We met when I volunteered for a week last fall. Because of that, I know what a great person and fantastic employee you are. We all have experiences we'd rather not share with the world. It's just a portion of yours was on camera. I don't know of anyone who could have managed it with more dignity than you did. I'll be back for a week in May. Looking forward to seeing you again. Your friend, Joyce Baker. Looking forward to seeing you too.
Who's that from?
Okay, this is from Sarah Dunlap. Okay, this, I have no, it's the perfect box for the puppies. So we'll put that over there, right?
That is a good box.
This is 100% tart cherry concentrate, pressed from over 2,000 cherries. It makes 32 servings. How much are you supposed to drink?
It's supposed to be cherry juice.
Refrigerate after opening. Mix with water, soda, lemonade, or any cold beverage. Add 2 tablespoons and 1 ounce of concentrate per glass. Try in yogurt, smoothies, or ice cream. Well, isn't that interesting? Makes 2 gallons, 32 servings. What happens if you add a little sugar? Ingredients. Monterey cherry concentrate. Well, that sounds like fun. Huh.
So this is from Jensen.
Speak up.
Jensen.
There you go.
In Maplewood,
I'll try that later.
Minnesota. To Melissa, you are wonderful and we all enjoy seeing you take such great care of dogs. Please have a cup on me. Claire?
I had another. You want to shove that other one my direction?
Sure.
Just roll it, the whole thing. There you go. There we go. We got it. Thank you. This is from Amber. Arvada, Colorado. Is that where she's from, maybe?
Dear Melissa, warm and fuzzy thoughts of you. You are loved by all of us. Money for the fun fund. Sharon from Arcadia, Rochester, New York.
What? somebody wants to go out. You want to go outside? Yes. She does. Please, let her out.
Hang on.
I have a note in the envelope. There's a box of 100 poo picker kits. Each kit has 4 cardboards and a bag. Oh, they're okay. Sounds perfect. Thank you for allowing Explore to put the cameras in your home and all of Service Dog Project.
Chaos!
I have learned so much about dogs, donkeys, owls, rats, chickens, and guinea hens. Being able to watch the Danes from birth to partnerships has touched me deeply. You have my utmost respect and admirations and 100% support for all you do. Warmest regards from Amber in Colorado. She's been watching us since 2013. And she gave us 100 poo picking kits. That lasted 20 minutes. As soon as I figure out how to open them.
Sue Weston, Canton, Ohio. Just a note to remind you how much you're appreciated. You will never know how much you're appreciated and loved by so many CPs that you've never even met, me included. Hang in there and take care. Sue Emma Weston, Ohio. You. And another one from Sue Weston.
I can't figure out how to open the box. So I better go this way. What? That didn't open it.
Well, if you go on the sides here, there's sides and
did that. Those things, I did that already. And I didn't do anything. It's glued somehow.
It's weird.
I did that. See, I did that.
Cheers,
I did this.
Melissa. We are all behind you and
Yep, and
support.
see, it's still stuck. I run in these boxes every once in a while. Maybe if I slice the end. Let's slice the end.
Keep your chin up and keep working on those puppies.
There we go. There we go.
Emma Weston.
Now we're cooking.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Is that from Sue?
She says, yeah, I couldn't decide, so I got you too. Thank you.
I don't know how I'm supposed to open these bottles. These bottles. They're nice looking poo pictures in there. I can see them.
Donna.
I can see
I don't know how to
them.
pronounce that. Onjian.
There we go.
Belleville, New Jersey. Sending Miss Valentine your way.
There we go.
Service Dog Projects.
Well, I can see
This
those.
is for the Valentine's Day thing.
What happened?
This is a Valentine's Day card.
Wasn't that wonderful? Thank you.
You had 4 others, so it was confused. Or maybe you didn't have them.
Oh, my word. Thank you very much. To all the doggies and puppies. Use it wherever it's needed most. Thank you for all you do. So it's from Donna
Yes.
in Belleville, New Jersey. New Jersey, people are coming. A lot of people from New Jersey lately. Where does that come from? That goes in the fun too, I suppose.
Came from Sharon.
Okay, well, it's in there.
Just popping up with a happy howdy do to let you know that friendly thoughts are being sent to you. Thoughts are with you. Keep your head up. You didn't do anything wrong, so don't let that one person get you down. You are a valuable asset to Crazy Acres. Helen? Marion? Either an N or an H, I can't tell. Thank you.
Okay, you know what? Oh.
takes a special person to look after others with the kind of caring and concern you always share. It takes a special person like you. Your help is very much appreciated. Stay tuned. Stay true to yourself. You know who you are, and don't let others tell you otherwise. Al Mullen. Thank you.
What was the name again?
Al Mullen. Don Ramiro, Aruda, Colorado. Dear Melissa, just a quick note to let you know you are loved, you are amazing. The care and attention that you give to all the puppies is special. SDP is very fortunate to have such an amazing overnight puppy sitter. I pray that you will continue to care for the puppies. Hang in there, we care about you. Hugs, Don Ramiro. Thank you. Nancy Reynolds, Austin, Texas. Melissa, I just want to thank you for all the hard work you do taking care of the pups. Everyone can see that you love them and they love you. Hang in there, we have your back. Nancy Reynolds, CP, Austin, Texas. Thank you.
Can you hear her?
Yes.
What happens when you go deaf? Can't
Bad thing, good person. I hate when that happens. Oh, I got this card from someone else yesterday too. Especially when it happens to someone as nice as you. I am one of the many CPs, all of whom love you, almost as much as the puppies do. Thank you for your service to SDP. Elizabeth Berry. Maryland. State of town.
Oh, I got that done.
Diane Clausen, Kodak.
Oh, I know her, Tennessee.
Yep, Tennessee.
Yep. I'll go down and maybe deal with a question or two while you're opening your envelopes. See whether we have any questions.
Dear Melissa, you are one of the most attentive and sweetest overnighters I have seen, and I pray you are comforted knowing that so many of us CPs have your back. Sorry for what happened, but you are a strong woman and will overcome this little bump in the road. All the dogs at Crazy Acres love you, and to watch how excited they get when you walk in the house having you with them for the night. Take care and get some rest, and remember we all love you. With affection, Diane Clausen. Thank you. Potter. Des Moines, Iowa. God has two dwellings, one in heaven and the other in a thankful heart. Dearest Melissa, please know that for every critical, small-minded CP, there are far more who know your dedication to SDP. View the situation as a bump in the road. Let it make you stronger and hold your head up high. Arlene believes in you, and so do many others. Look forward to seeing your continued work with the babies. Simon, 1209.
There's Amber. My box is on the stool by the futon, 100 poo pickers. And the note is purple envelope on the front. You can see I got that. Isn't that wonderful? Well, this is opening her cards. Hooray.
I opened so many yesterday, so
Is the tractor out front there, or is somebody driving it? Everybody seems to think somebody's driving the
I
tractor.
don't think anyone's here.
I think Goldie's in the tractor.
Dear Melissa,
Well, here's the tart cherry juice.
we love you so much. So sorry you haven't been feeling well. Please come back soon. We miss you. With Mrs. Athletes and Gifts. Can't read the name. New York. It just says it doesn't have a name. Yeah.
Okay.
For good town and
The
stuff.
cherry juice is good for a whole bunch of things. By the time you get to be my age, you got all of them. I don't know whether there was a tie today. I don't know.
Brace yourself. Hug incoming. Dear Melissa,
Kate did not go home. They're stuck over there.
keep your chin up. We got your back. Dumpster kitty. Read it first. Jennifer Perdon, El Paso, Texas. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Dear Melissa, hope things soon feel good as new with happy times ahead of you. Keep your chin up, you rock. Jennifer Perdon and Bob and Wanda Perdon. Thank you. That's cute. What is that thing on her? What? Chaos on her mouth.
I don't know. I'll look later.
What?
I said I'll look later.
Arlene, pure cherry juice is expensive and supposed to be good for cow. It would be expensive. There's 2,000 cherries here. Wow. I'm just thinking what I will do is I will go get a syringe
Wag my tail off.
so I can measure it carefully.
Jerry Van Vliet, Sacramento,
You should
California.
drink 8 ounces at bedtime. You wouldn't drink 8 ounces of that. You mix it with water and drink 8 ounces.
Yeah, that would be too sweet, imagine. Make me so happy I could wag my tail off. Watching you with the puppies brings a smile to my face. So happy I got to meet you when I was there in July. Keep up the good work. Fondly, Jerry Van Vliet. Thank you. CP since 2012.
Uh-oh.
Susan Hastings.
Having trouble reading the paper.
I'll rewrite it. Tell them I'll rewrite it.
Susan
Because it was a
Hastings.
piece of paper instead of a board. Just couldn't find the board.
Your worry app is open and running in the background. It's time to force quit. It's going to be okay. Susan Hastings. Hi, Melissa. Just a note from a quiet CP to let you know you are much appreciated for all you do as SDP. I hope you feel the caring and love from all these cards you get and can put this event behind you. Someday you will laugh about it. Also, if people make jokes and deep down you feel it is too soon, just know that you're only trying to make you feel better. Kiss all the puppies for me. Fondly, Susan. Thank you. Sharon Lord, Woodbine, New Jersey. Do you know what a beautiful difference you make? Just want you to know that it's true, and just as you give from your generous heart, my heart is so grateful for you. We were all decided to give you a small donation to help with your bail. We all appreciate the the time and love you put into SDP. We love you. Love, Sharon Lord. Oh, thank you.
You got through them.
I did. I
Wow.
went through so many last night. I got enough money to cover all my court. So that's
Isn't that
nice.
wonderful?
Yes, thank you, everyone.
Isn't that wonderful?
And the cards were all very nice. Everyone made me feel better.
I knew they'd bail you out.
Yes, thank you.
There's a lot of people
Yeah.
that watch us.
Yeah.
And they're very nice, all of them. They help us out tremendously,
Yes.
whenever we need help. They do the best work. Okay, I'm gonna go and play with my cherry juice
Okay.
and see what, I don't know what happened with supper. Grace, is around?
Grace is down there. Supper, I'll go get it.
Is it cooked?
Yes, it's cooked and warm. I
Okay,
just have to put it on the plate.
really? Okay. What's in the dish?
There's squash and lamb.
Oh, okay.
Donna made it. I'll hold it.
The meat has to be sliced, I think.
Yes. But it's all cooked and it's all warm.
Okay.
Here's a little.
I didn't get my syringe. I didn't get a syringe yet for my cherry juice. Okay.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Ah. 2 tablespoons. What's a tablespoon? A teaspoon is 5 cc. If a tablespoon is 3 teaspoons? I bet you they'll tell me on here. Three teaspoons equal 1 tablespoon. Okay, 3. So, if 1 teaspoon is 5 cc, that's 15. So I need 30 cc in a glass. Is it? Is that what you put it in? Great. Stick that in some water. 2 cups. 30 cc. I'll get that organized. There we go. Food.
Should I put it here?
Yeah. Wow. Okay. That looks like fun. I'm gonna change this to watch the puppies instead of me. Well, I'm certainly glad that got cooked because I didn't even think it got cooked. That's not bad. Are you staying overnight?
Me? No.
Huh?
I only did for the storm.
Huh?
I only did for the storm.
Oh.
And now it's over.
You're homeschooled, right?
Yes.
So you don't have to go, you don't call school, right? How many hours a day do you spend being homeschooled?
It depends. Anywhere between 4 and 6.
And who homeschools you?
My mother.
Okay. And do you like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't homeschool my children. I hate to think of what I'd teach. I'd be teaching them.
You're pretty knowledgeable, though.
Yeah, but I'm not, I don't think it's, there are an awful lot of things I don't think it's necessary to teach kids.
Yeah.